So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Today we will cover our mock test part 1 Python for data science, in which we will give you some questions and you have to answer it in second. So let's start our question number first. Which of the following variable names is invalid in Python? So these are the options: where underscore one underscore where one where name. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, one underscore where. Now let's go to question number second. Question two. Which operator in Python has lower precedence than not? So these are the option: and, plus, equal to, vertical bar. So your time starts now. And the answer is and. Now let's go to question third. What will print 10 into 5 percentile 3 output? So these are the option: 0, 1, 2, 100. So your time starts now. And the answer is 1. Now let's go to question fourth. What happens when you try to convert namaste into a float? So these are the option: returns float, returns string, returns int, throw an error. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, throws an error. Now let's go to question 5. For j equal to 6 and g equal to 3.3, what are the data types of j by g and j double slash g? So these are the option: int, float int float. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, float int. Now let's go to sixth question. What will be the type of the result for? So this is our code: a equal to 10, b equal to float of a plus 5, result equal to strb, and so on. So these are the option: int, str, float, error. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, str. Now let's go to question 7. Evaluate. So this is our code and these are the option: 21, 22, 0. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, 20. Now let's go to question 8. What is the result of A into equal to B into 2 when A equal to 4, B equal to 5? So these are the option: 10, 20, 25, 40. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, 40. Now let's go to question number 9. What is printed by A equal to 3, B equal to 5, C equal to bracket A equal to 3 and B equal to 5, or A are not equal to 3? Print C. So these are the option: true, false, error. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, true. Now let's go to question number 10. If A equal to 5 and B equal to 3, what is the result of A and B? So these are the option: 7, 3, 5, 1. And your time starts now. And the answer is D, 1. Now let's go to question number 11. Which among these is a valid variable name? So these are the option: dot ram2, 2 ram underscore 2, ram dot 2. So your time starts now. So the answer is C, ram underscore 2. Now let's go to question number 12. Which statement is invalid in Python? So these are the option: mnq equal to 1, 2, 3, m dot n dot q equal to 3500, 3600, 3700, mnq 3500, 3600, 3700, m underscore q equal to 3500. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. M dot N Q dot Q equal to 3500, 3600, 3700. Now let's go to question number 13. Which operator is used for assignment in Python? So these are the option: equal to, less than, greater than, greater than. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, equal to. Now let's go to question number 14. Which command is used to check data type of a variable? So these are the option: type of, type, str, data. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, type. Now let's go to question number 15. What is the output of x is equal to 300, y equal to 17, x percentile equal to y, print x? So these are the option: 11, 17, 317.6. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, 11. Now let's go to question number 16. Which of these does not support indexing? So these are the option: list, tuple, dictionary, set. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, set. Now let's go to question number 17. Which is the correct way to concatenate data and science with a hyphen? So these are the option: data plus science, join data science, data dot join science, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Now let's go to question number 18. Which data type is immutable? So these are the option: list, set, tuple, dictionary. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, tuple. Now let's go to question number 19. Which of the following dictionary operations will run without error? So the code is D equal to 1 such that Python, 2 such that 1, 2, 3. So these are the options and your time starts now. And the answer is D. D dot update 1 such that 2. Now let's go to question number 20. Which will update student dictionary correctly to? So this is our code and these are the option and your time starts now. So the answer is A, student dot update age such that 26, phone such that 123 minus 456. Now let's go to question number 21. Which function stacks data frames vertically in pandas? So these are the option: pd dot merge, pd dot concat, join, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, pd.concat. Now let's go to question number 22. Which function gives summary info including null counts in pandas? So these are the option: df.describe, df.info, df.head, df.call. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, df.info. Now let's go to question number 23. Which method gives descriptive statistics of numeric columns in pandas? So these are the option: df.describe, df.info, df.isNull, df.shape. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, df.describe. Now let's go to question number 24. Which Python libraries are most widely used for data science? So these are the option: pandas, numpy, matplotlib, all of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, all of the above. Now let's go to question number 25. Which plot would best show the relationship between MPG and weight of cars? So these are the option: box plot, scatter plot, bar chart, histogram. So your time starts now. and the answer is scatter plot. So thank you friends for watching our part first. Next we will provide you part second. So subscribe our channel and join us. So thank you friends for watching this video.